Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Unong ilam galyang persya berbalong ru unong mi khmat kaseng Kongres na melim constituency ulaong. Managalyang ke Kongres warhadu hapo kaying darbar tauan jong ke parlimen ru kala simkhia ha ke bede ke jingdawa ban penyo ya ke inaline permit hapo ke jela. Ulaong banagalyang ke Kongres kan yai pen sngo ya ke sur jongka ha ki tendong skor jong ke sarkar pedeng hadu bandayo ya ke ILP hapo ke jela Meghalaya. Haba keren cikilat patai kubor mentak sengi ke khat kendai trik ukala Lincoln. Uba Ronnie ulaong balayo isyai kedar bagani ke sarkar kam kenkor satya ye ki red pat ki reolum ni ye ki red kiria. Baru labu jingkeli ba ke ke bakhang lat ye ke BJP ke badan shibun ki nong mi khmat hapo ke yindor bar tauan jong geri ban keren ha ke bedei bar ke ILP hapo ke jela ke balong ke wei ni ki mat jingdawa ke bagi Paidbah ke jela ki la dawa la slemba. Shishola ong ru ba ke sarkar NPP bat ke sarkar BJP kila Jingpynbiej yu Paidbah Tang ha ke por Ilekshon ha ke bedei bat ke ILP bat ke Jingpynbiej ye ke Ktien Khasi ha ke kernet ke bapra da ke ba kila kam ye de bagi dei kita ki artli ki engine ke ba mut bagi yo ban bat ye ke bor hapo ke sarkar pedeng barapo ke sarkar jela Henry kani ke jingkam jongki kalong Tang ha ke Ktien bat ke kampat kampoi shanu ru ban penyo ye ke ILP bat ban kintup ye ke Ktien Khasi ha ke kernet ke bapra.
That has been taken up. In fact, from the AICC, from the central leadership, that not only in this, we have taken up even in Parliament, if you like to remind you. So this will be an issue that we will, keep pursuing until it is achieved. The 1950s, when the Constitution was, adopted, you see, the leaders then, most of them were Congress leaders, ensured that, minuscule community like the Khasi, Garo tribe, have provisions in the constitution to protect them. We have the 6th schedule, then you have this reservation, you have this quota for jobs and all that. It only shows now that this government is not bothered about the minorities, about the tribals, the Dalits. Very, very clear. It's very loud and clear. What prevents them from coming with a law to enact ILP to protect the minuscule community like community in Meghalaya? What prevents them? They have full majority in Parliament. If they can abrogate Article 370, what prevents them from enacting an ILP to protect the genuine demand of the people of the state? Very loud and clear, they're not bothered about the tribal community. Now what we are scared is the tyranny of the majority. That is very dangerous for the minority community. That's why we are taking this Nyayatra. To wake up the people of India, especially the minorities, the Dalit, the marginalized, so that, they're not fooled by the rhetoric of this government.
Do you agree that Meghalaya, just because that it is being a transit state, that it is difficult to implement ILP?
Fine. But then you can, come up with certain proviso. You cannot have a 100% perfect law. You enact, and then accordingly, as time passes, then we can come up with provisos to ensure that people who have just passed through the state, they need not, come under this act.
Have included ILP in their manifesto, but despite being an alliance member of the NDA, they could not ensure ILP materialize in Meghalaya.
You see, now they're fooling the people with double engine for what? To implement the demands of the people, and this is the demand of the state of Meghalaya. Why don't they do it? They have a government here, they have a government there. As they claim, it's a double engine. Now, why can't double engine implement this? So only shows is to fool the people. Before the election, you vote for us, you have the same government in the state and in the center, and things will work out fine. But then they're just empty rhetorics. Their words don't match their actions.
Do you think that the government, that the Congress the archive party, the history party.
Let us see. We shall see who will be archived, who will not be archived. We've existed. Now we're about to, cross 140 years. How many parties have crossed even 14 years? So let us see. The people of the state, the people of the country know which party will serve them better, which country will protect all communities, whether they belong to majority community, whether they belong to minority community. It's only the Congress. I'll just share with you, you see, for example, this government was hell-bent on, doing away with Narega, NREG. Had it not been for NREGA, I believe during the COVID, millions of people would have starved to death. Just see the farsightedness, the vision of our leaders. Now, you go to the village, I think most of you have gone to most of the villages in Meghalaya, where the PWD is not in a position to construct roads. Through NREGA, we've been able to construct village roads. That has helped the economy of the rural people. That has helped transportation of their agricultural inputs. These are the kind of, works that we do, not only empty rhetorics. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Manipur is not included in that rhetoric.